Okay, so here is the setup for the collisions experiment that's being done on the air track, which you are familiar with by now. Notice there are two gliders now. There's the small red one, glider B, that you've seen before, but then there's also the big blue one, which is glider A. Okay, so I'm gonna come in a little closer now, get a closer look. Okay, so notice the photo gates. There's gate number 1 on your left, gate number 2 on your right. Okay, and they can move this time. They're not fixed in one place. Like I can take it and move it somewhere else. It's not attached. And there could be times during the experiment where it'll be an advantage to move it to a different place. Okay. Let's see. Now, how about notice the tape on the gliders? Let me get in really close where you can see it. There is some tape on the gliders, okay, on the bumpers on the gliders. So notice there on the blue one, it's probably easier to see. Let me pick up the red one and get a closer look. So, okay. So notice there's tape on the end of on the bumper of the red glider as well. So that tape is double-sided. It's sticky on the outside. So we can do collisions where we push one glider toward the other one and they can stick together. So you have them joining together in an inelastic collision. So it'll be that way on the first couple of collisions. Then we'll do some other collisions where there is no tape. I'll be taking it off and they'll be bouncing off of each other and so on. And one other thing you might want to keep in mind that'll help you later in the experiment is the direction can change on some of these. There could be some collisions where a glider bounces off the other glider and reverses and changes direction. So then you'd be talking about a negative velocity and a negative momentum. You won't have to worry about that on these first couple of collisions, but on one or two of the other ones, you will have to think about that. So that's good for now, and you can go on to some of the videos that are actual test runs.